Hello student, how are you? Welcome to my class of business study. Today I am going to discuss about one of the principle of management, which is remuneration of persons. Student, I have divided it into three topics, 3 points. Sorry, 3 points. Students, in remuneration of person, Mr. Henry Fayol suggests that the employees in the organization must be paid fairly or adequately to give them maximum satisfaction. It means to say that employees should get such amount that they can fulfill their at least physiological needs. The remuneration should be better than competitors. If you want to compete in market, if you want to do competition, then your remuneration should be better than your competitors. The wages salary should be decided by keeping in mind the minimum wage act of government. At least organizations should pay better than the minimum wage act of government. Student, if you follow this principle of management, then there will be at least two positive things. One is employees get motivated. Really employees will get motivated because everyone is working for money. Devotion and commitment of employees improves. Employees work as devoted and their commitment will meet at the time. Consequences of violation are negative thing when we don't apply this principle of management, which is remuneration of person. Increase in turnover of employees means in your organization very frequently people leave the job. They come, they join, they feel that there is no fairly paying, or this is not fairly paying organization. After some time they leave the job. Your organization will become the training center. Dissatisfaction and demotivation of employees. Dissatisfaction and demotivation in result of unfair payment, and this will result downfalling business of the organization. Now we are going to discuss a case study which I have taken from Poonam Gandhi books. Mr. Ram started a small business with limited investment. He hired labor at very less wages. Over the time, with broad vision of Ram and hard work of his employees, the business started earning very good revenue. With increase in earning capacity of company, also Ram did not increase the wages and salary of his employees. They were not able to maintain a reasonable standard of living. Identify the principle of management overlooked by Mr. Ram. Very simple. Mr. Ram overlooked the principle of remuneration of persons. I hope student you liked this way of presentation and study material. If you like, please like and share. Thank you.